Hi everybody. If you've been following along with me, you'll know that I've been part of my creative year as an instructor this year. And part of that each month is we are to talk about our muse and what our muse is telling us to do. And so I've been wanting to get out my Gelli plate and play for quite some time. And one of the things that I like about printing with the gel plate is getting those really grungy, funky backgrounds that we can create just by applying paint to this gel plate and picking it up and adding a few other ingredients. Now, some of the ingredients that I like to add are not your standard gel print stuff. One of the things that my friend Shell uses is baby powder. And baby powder, cornstarch, all of that stuff is good to use on your gel plate because it gives you that grungy effect. But what you see me doing here is getting out my graphite. Now, because this is messy, I put it in an old mustard jar so that I can screw the lid back down and keep it contained. But I like to put that on over my stencil and brayer that into the paint layers so that it isn't flying everywhere. You know, it just becomes that resist and grungy element in the background of that paint. So I'm lifting my stencil now, placing it on my other gel plate. These are two Gelli Arts 8x10 plates, and I like to work back and forth between my plates. It just gives me a faster way of creating. So you can see it's got that dark grunginess with that beautiful stenciled effect on there, and that's what I'm looking for. That's what I like about using these products on my gel plate. So I'm just going to continue working through some more pages, and I'll speed things up, and then at the end of the video, I will show you the pages that I've created one at a time, you know, because some people have said, you know, you just go through those too fast. I need to see them a little bit more. And so, you know, this is right now sped up twice what the normal speed is, because, you know, gel printing takes a while. I spent several hours at this, and you don't want to just sit and watch me apply paint to my gel plate and these different products. But I'm going to use the grungy graphite and some baby powder and some other powders because I have the powdered watercolors. But if you add those to some other mediums, then you can capture those watercolors in a gel print. So I want to print both sides of these papers because I'm intending to bind them and make a journal out of them. I went to a craft sale and I got a cinch at a discount price, and so now I can bind my own pages and make my own journal out of these printed papers, and that's what my intent is. So here I'm just doing another pickup, getting that onto the paper. You can see there it's got grungy goodness on both sides, and I'll keep on working.